What is up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to get a trademark for either your business or a logo or trademarking a name. All of these things, they do require, intellectual property. This is all intellectual property that needs to be protected, especially if it's your brand or your company that you're putting a lot of work in. You always want to make sure it's protected by getting a trademark for it. So I'm going to show you guys exactly the cheapest method that I personally have found when it comes to getting a trademark. So trademarks could get a little bit pricey. Like if you get a local attorney in the US, I've seen people charge $1,000 to $2,000 to get an attorney to do their trademark. They either have to do some trademark research or filing the trademark or anything like that. So I found somebody on a website on Fiverr that actually does it for $45 for research and then $45 to do the application. This is probably I know for a fact actually this is the cheapest method out there. I've looked around, I've done all the research. I mean, the cheapest alternative is probably like $300. This is the cheapest I have found. I actually sell full-time on Amazon, and I've had I'm on 3 trademarks at the moment. I'm trying to get my 4th one at the moment, but 3 successful trademarks. The whole trademark process does take a long time. That's why I recommend you to not do it yourself, because personally I sell online. I've been working online my whole entire life. I like to do things myself for the most part. I tried to do a trademark myself. It is extremely hard. It's very difficult and confusing. I just hired somebody to do it for me because I couldn't do it. It was not worth just trying to do it and then getting declined six months down the line. So I personally recommend you to find somebody to do it for you rather than to do it yourself. And I'm going to show you guys exactly on the computer now how to do the whole process. So this is the attorney I use to get my trademarks done. He also does IPs, copyrights, patent designs, all that stuff. You can click here on standard. It's $45 for a trademark search, and then here's $90 for a trademark search and a trademark application that he does for you. So personally, what I recommend you to do if you're trying to get a trademark is click the link down below, contact this guy. You don't have to pay for it right away. I recommend you to contact him, talk to him to see if he can help you, which most likely he could. And then if you want to get your trademark processed, you can do the whole process. But honestly, it's been a no-brainer. It's real easy for me to get my trademarks done if I'm looking to have some protection for my brand, because personally I sell on Amazon and you need to have your brand trademarked. People can come, try to steal the listing, try to sell counterfeit products of yours and all that stuff. So that's what I recommend you to do. $45 for the research, $45 for the filing. I recommend you to also do the research before so he can give you some details, and you can see that he's had over 3,000 orders already done. He's rated 5 stars. Fiverr is a really known website. If you're into online work, Fiverr is pretty good. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Also hit that subscribe button and like this video if you can. It really helps out. So see you on the next one. Peace.